Welcome to Review Source. When precision matters and every hole counts, having the right tool makes all the difference. Whether you're working on steel beams, custom fabrication, or small-scale hobby projects, accuracy isn't optional. Today, we're covering the best portable drill presses, chosen for their reliability, power, and real-world performance. For more details and the latest prices, you'll find all the product links in the description below. We've vetted these based on build quality and how they actually handle under pressure in a real shop. Now, let's get started. KinHall Portable Drill Press. This isn't for your heavy-duty fabrication shop. It's a desktop unit built for hobbyists and light workshop tasks. It packs a full copper motor and a sturdy cast iron base, which keeps vibrations down so you aren't snapping tiny bits every 5 minutes. It features 3 speed settings ranging from 1800 to 12,000 RPM. We've seen feedback that it doesn't actually hit 0 RPM like the ads say. It usually starts around 800 to 1,000. But for wood, plastic, or aluminum, it's fast and responsive. It's got a small footprint that's perfect for RC aircraft builders or jewelry makers who don't have room for a floor-standing press. Users love the build quality, noting it's way heavier and better made than you'd expect for something this compact. Just don't try to force it through thick plate steel. It's meant for precision on a small scale. If you're transitioning from a handheld drill to something more stable for DIY projects, this is a smart, budget-friendly pick that gets the job done without any unnecessary drama. VEVOR Magnetic Drill Press. Now we're getting into the heavy stuff. This thing is a beast designed for industrial work. It's got a 1300-watt motor that hits 810 RPM, which is plenty for chewing through steel. The real star is the electromagnetic base. It generates 13,000 newtons of holding force, so you can stick it to a vertical beam or even overhead without it budging. We noticed users saying it cuts through 1/2-inch steel plate like it's nothing. It includes a built-in coolant system to keep your bits from melting, though some people find the tubing a bit finicky and prefer a manual pump gun. It's a single-speed machine, so you've got to be comfortable with that. And while most people find the magnet rock solid, it can be picky about surface flatness. The guide rail is titanium magnesium alloy, so it's built to resist wear in a messy shop. For the money, it's an outstanding piece of equipment that rivals much more expensive name brands. It's a high-end performer for fabricators who need a reliable workhorse for serious hole making. ZELCAN J1CD-35S Drill Press. If you need more control than a single-speed unit, this ZELCAN is the one to look at. It steps up the power with a 1550-watt copper motor and handles holes up to 2 inches deep. What sets it apart is the stepless speed control. You can dial it anywhere from 0 to 580 RPM, letting you match the speed to whatever material you're attacking. It's also reversible, which makes backing out bits a lot less of a headache. The 13,000 N magnet is plenty strong for truck frames and heavy machinery. However, we've got to be real about the precision. Some users have noted about 0.03 of slack in the slide, so if you're doing high-end machinist work, this might frustrate you. But for rough fabrication and construction, it's excellent. It comes with a set of core bits out of the box, making it a great value. It's a powerful, flexible tool that's earned its keep on Freightliner frames and heavy fabrication jobs. It's a solid investment for professionals who need brute force and adjustable speeds to get through different metal thicknesses.
VEVOR MDP-50 Drill Press. This is another heavy hitter from VEVOR, but this one features a 10-speed gear system. It's running a 1450-watt motor and a 12,800 Newton magnet. The main draw here is the versatility of those 10 speeds, allowing for much cleaner, more precise holes across different hole sizes. It's got built-in overload protection and a clear measurement scale, which is a nice touch for repeatability. Users report that the drill itself is reliable and powerful, though the included annular bits can be hit or miss. Some people suggest upgrading those immediately to avoid a mess. We also saw some cynical feedback regarding quality control. A few units arrived with loose internal screws or wiring issues inside the casing. It's worth checking the connections before you start a big job. Once it's dialed in, though, the magnet is incredibly strong on thick steel. It's a commercial-grade tool that's perfect for steel outboard stands or structural I-beams. If you want a feature-rich press and don't mind a bit of tinkering, This thing offers exceptional performance and longevity.
S&F Portable Magnetic Drill Press. This is the one you want if you're moving around the job site all day. It's more compact than the others, weighing in at just 24 pounds, but don't let the size fool you. It still packs an 1100-watt motor and a 2-stage magnetic base with 10,000 newtons of force. It's designed for annular cutters and can go 2 inches deep. The portability is the big win here. It comes with a high-quality carrying case that actually fits everything. Users describe it as a beast that cuts through thick metal like butter. It operates at a consistent 700 RPM, which is a good sweet spot for most common metalworking tasks. While it might be considered a premium pick in terms of price, the build quality and the included accessories make it worth the investment. The onboard coolant system is efficient, and the torque is impressive for a portable unit. It's a well-rounded package for pros or serious DIYers who need accuracy and power in a frame that won't break your back while working in tight spots. And that wraps up the top side best portable drill presses. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe to Review Source, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest tool picks. We'll be back with more gear reviews soon. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.